Whether you've been a fan forever of Elle Studio or you're just now learning about Elle Studio's products, I'm so excited to introduce you to the January 2018 exclusive kit and add-ons. So this is the kit, and this is exactly how it comes packaged, all neatly arranged like this. There are 2 sheets of die cuts in every kit. So this is the first die cut sheet. I love the slow down and enjoy life. And then we have some of the 4x6 tags. Here's the second die cut sheet. Here's another 4" by 6" tag. And then we have the 3" by 4" tags. And there's the third 4" by 6" tag. I love the green and purple together. These colors are just really cool this month. The This Is Us tag is really going to be popular, I think. And I love that there's a goals tag for January. I'm definitely going to use that. Kind heart. Here's what happened, just one of those days. There's that pretty green again. I love that color. This would be great for a Valentine. One of my favorite things about you, I love that font too. A date night tag if you're lucky enough to get one of those. So those are the tags and die cuts in the kit. The add-ons this month are the January labels. I love how these are horizontal and vertical. It's really clever. These are the XOXO stamp set, and that pattern down at the bottom left corner is pretty awesome. Next we have the XOXO 6" paper stack, and if you've ever gotten one of these paper stacks, they are awesome. There's no adhesive on them, so you don't have to worry about tearing them out. They come with 2 patterns of each design. Sorry, 2 sheets of each pattern design, I should say. And so these are going to coordinate with your kit this month. There's that really cool pattern again, just in a larger scale. Purple hearts, green with white hearts, that red and white stripe, which is really nice. And I love this one. This could be great to circle some of those words, polka dots, and the stripe. So there's the paper stack. Next we have the hand-drawn acrylic hearts. And these are exactly what they're called, just kind of hand-drawn wonky little hearts in white acrylic, which is easy to recolor using alcohol ink or Sharpie pens. These are the wood veneer love tags. And again, these would be cool to paint or leave as is with some baker's twine. These awesome things are the Hugs and Kisses puffy stickers. I love the fave story word. I think that's so cool. There's so much usable stuff on there, not just for love layouts, just for everything. This is the You Are Loved wood veneer. Again, something easily recolorable. And then these are the Love You die cuts. Just wait till you see all of the goodness in this die cut pack. It really is awesome. I think this is going to be one of the products this month that could sell out. It's just so awesome. Especially this piece here, I Love You More Than All the Stars in the Sky. Really perfect to create a page with just that, a photo and just a few embellishments, and you're done. There's so much goodness in here. I love the XOXO die cut there. All these little journaling tags are so usable in your pocket pages, on your layouts, in your planner. So think about how you can use these all throughout your paper crafting projects. That little die cut sheet right there is really cool because all those little white hearts punch out. And I love that little ticket with the black hearts on it. Really, really, really cute. So lots and lots of goodness. Here's a little close-up look at these hearts, how they just punch out of that little tag. So you have all those hearts that you can use on your project as well. So those are the Love You die cuts. Next we have the Star chipboard stickers. And again, really usable colors this month. There's even some black and white on there and some gray for you neutral lovers. And then we have 3 more sets of letter cardstock stickers, pink, white, and black. Now I wanted to show you some product that came out last month, but I just didn't have in time for my unboxing video. These are other sets of cardstock alphabet stickers that are in the shop, navy, dark purple, and green. And the 2018 calendars, which these are really great if you do monthly pocket pages like me. And if you don't need the calendar, there's also some really cool designs on the back side. So even if you're looking for just a set of everyday kind of journaling tags, then this is a great one for you. I love that they come in lots of different colors too. Really, really usable. Okay, next I'm pulling out the Counting Steps journaling tags, and these are great for anyone who keeps track of their steps. I know I have to do this for my insurance, and so I like to know, what goals I've hit for the month. And so this is an awesome way to keep track of that. And it's also something that's part of our daily lives now, and so it's something that's great to have in our pocket pages or on a layout. So there's some motivational sayings on each side and then some goal tracking and step tracking on the opposite side. So if you have any fitness or step goals for 2018, I really recommend these journaling tags. And then to go along with the journaling tags, there is an awesome stamp set, the Counting Steps stamp set, which is really cool. I really love that little sneaker and the prize ribbon. And I know I'm going to be using this not only for steps, but for kind of my fitness goals. There you have it. This is the new Elle Studio January 2018 kit. I know this is going to be a popular one with all of the bold black and whites alongside those beautiful winter colors. You can accent your kit contents with the awesome embellishments and stamps in the add-on selection this month. Find all of the new product via the affiliate link in my video notes. Thanks so much for your continued support and happy creating with this beautiful new product.